Hello everyone, this is Jose Motek from Motek. I would like to talk about post-processing after we used a Motek devices. As you can see, for instance, you have this device and you have done your experiment and you want to know what happens after that. So usually what happens is you have your motion capture, for instance, and from there you can start capturing and you collect all this data, okay, motion, kinetic, kinematic. But you want to know more about this, like special temporal parameters, all the details. So we have very cool software called Gait offline analysis tool. So you collected your data, then you open it here. That is the file. It's .mox file. It contains all this information. So you can see here some of the detail or subjective detail remarks you want to know, and what type of source plates are there, markers, etc. And even the heel strike, you can actually do reprocess or not, the subject's range of motion, and some more details that all comes from there, like kinematic, kinetic, and gait special temporal variables. So you may change some here, but let's assume everything is fine. And you can see the videos will be available. Videos must be in the same folder. So here, all these videos you can see from the experiments must be there. When you have the videos and you have the 3D model, then you can actually calculate, or the software will calculate all these details for you, especially the performance, kinematic, joint motions, kinetic moments, powers, etc. for left and right. So all these are being processed here. So while this is happening, I'll show you a little bit more. So you can have different orders, changing the order of the view, reporting how the layouts will change, like just one norm as well, like norm data included, GRF included or not. So I think it's doing the GRF here. Okay. So you see the videos and a 3D model and the EMG, a little bit of like all the information about the muscles that we have, and the gaits here. So you can see here the gaits cycles have been detected. If not, you can actually choose left side and right side, right, left, add or remove, and even kinematic data as well as kinetic data as well. So let's run it. You can easily see what's happening, what the current action force is, and nicely you have the report, which is a PDF. You can actually get all these details that you may need for your clinical or research purposes. It's very quick, in a matter of, I would say, less than a minute. And you can see here changing, even you can change the videos from different angle, right? And the setting is important also. You can change some filtering, as you can see here, or normative data. You can actually bring your own normative data cycle, the changing the threshold forces that you're seeing here, or the color, and the type of filtering, Motek or Icon type of things. So you can change all these details. And that's it. Good luck with your experiment and analysis.